On this video, we're going to talk about the grand staff. Now, when you look at the picture, you can see that I have it labeled as piano because piano music is the perfect representation of the grand staff. Most piano scores are the grand staff. You notice we have a bass clef and a treble clef, and we have the bar lines or the double bar lines at the end that are connecting between the two staffs. There's no broken areas between here. The reason we call this the grand staff is because it connects both the treble and bass clefs together. And these notes in the middle are singled out because these are our adjacent notes or the adjoining notes, however you want to think of them, between the two staffs. If we take a look at the middle, our C here, you notice it's one ledger line below the staff. And in bass clef, this C is one ledger line above the staff. On the piano keyboard, both of these C's are the exact same key that you would push. That means that this C here on bass clef is the same as this C written in treble clef. So this is the exact same note in the exact same place. We call this middle C because it's in the middle of the keyboard. And if we move up from C, if we step up, the D that's right below the staff is this D down here that's right above the ledger line in the bass clef. You notice how the upward movement, C moving up to D, we're adding above the ledger line, but here in treble clef, it touches and we're almost back to the staff. If we continued on up to be back in the staff, then we'd add another ledger line and continue up here. When we're going down, this B here, as we step down from middle C down to B, is the B that's right on the top of the bass clef. And if we were to continue down and we step down from this B down to A, we would step down with another ledger line to get to this A down here in treble clef. So this is our grand staff, treble and bass clef together in the same set of staves. We're all connected with the bar lines. And the piano is the perfect representation of the grand staff.